Welcome again. Today we will discuss India size and location. The earth is divided into degrees of longitude and latitude which help us measure location and time using a single standard. Latitude is an angular distance of a point on the earth's surface. The equator is 0 degree latitude and points can therefore be measured in degrees south and north of this line. Longitude is an angular distance of a point measured on Earth's surface to the east or west of a central reference point. The reference point in this case is the plane created by a meridian going through Greenwich in England. It is 0 degree meridian. When used together, longitude and latitude define a specific location through geographical coordinates. This network of lines of latitude and longitude that make up a coordinate system is known as graticule. India lies in the north and eastern hemisphere. The mainland extends between the latitude 8 degree and 4 minute north and 37 degree and 6 minute north and longitude 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. To the southeast and the southwest of the mainland lies Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. Tropic of Cancer 23 degree and 30 minute latitude divides the country into almost two equal parts. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. India is the seventh largest country of the world. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. The country is of a vast size and measures about 3,214 km from north to south and about 2,933 km from west to east. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km. Total length of the coastline of mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. The longitudinal extent of India is about 30 degree. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It takes 4 minutes for the sun to move across one longitude. Thus, the easternmost point of India would be 2 hours ahead of the westernmost point in accordance with the local time. In other words, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. This difference in time might create confusion in air and rail timing and so many other things across the two states. To avoid this confusion, a longitude passing through the midpoint of 68 degree and 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east is taken as the standard prime meridian of India. The time at the standard meridian 82 degree and 30 minute, which passes through Mirzapur in UP, is taken as the standard time of India and is followed all over the country. The longitudinal extent influence the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. The Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. The Trans-Indian route, which connect countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula helped India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. India's contacts with the world have continued through ages, but the relationship through the land route are much older than the maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient time. The ideas of Upanishad and the Ramayana, the story of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, influence of Greek sculpture and architecture can be seen in different part of our country. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in east. On southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two islands country, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Thank you and have a good day.